In this video, we'll show you how to use the probe feature on your GE Appliances oven. The probe feature allows you to cook your food to the exact desired temperature. When using the probe feature, be sure to thaw and prepare your food completely before inserting the probe. Always insert the tip of the probe in the center of the thickest part of the food, avoiding contact with bone, fat, or gristle. For more information on recommended probe placement, please refer to your owner's manual. Begin by preheating the oven. Set the cooking modes such as traditional bake, convection bake, or convection roast to the desired temperature and press start. Once the oven is preheated, place the food in the oven and connect the probe to the port outlet located in the oven cavity. Use an oven mitt or heat-resistant gloves to plug the port in, as the oven walls and the port outlet will be hot. You will now need to program the desired internal food temperature. If your control panel displays the probe feature as an option, press the probe option, then set the desired probe temperature and press start. If your control panel displays an options menu, select the options menu, then select the probe feature, enter the desired probe temperature, then select cook mode. Enter oven temperature and press start. Accessing the probe feature may differ depending on which model you own. Please refer to your owner's manual for instructions. You can also choose not to preheat the oven. Simply place the food in the oven and connect the probe to the outlet. Then follow the previous instructions to set the desired temperature. When the probe reaches the set internal food temperature, the oven will shut off. Remember, use oven mitts or heat-resistant gloves when handling the probe. Do not pull on the cable when removing the probe from the port outlet. Always use the handle when inserting or removing the probe from the port outlet. Clean the probe with a cloth damp with soap and water. Do not submerge the attachment in water. Do not store the probe inside the oven, or leave the probe inside during a self-clean or steam clean cycle. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.